Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into intimacy, connection, and unforgettable pleasure. Before we get into today's topic, let me ask you, have you ever wondered what makes oral sex an experience she'll never forget? Spoiler alert, it's not just about technique. Stick around until the end, because I'm sharing a golden tip that will completely change the way you approach intimacy. Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly dose of love, laughter, and life-changing advice. Oral sex is more than just physical. Let's be real, oral sex is so much more than just physical pleasure. It's about trust, vulnerability, and making her feel truly seen, cherished, and desired. Now, every woman is different, but there are 5 key things that most women absolutely love when it comes to oral pleasure. And these aren't just random preferences, they're backed by science, psychology, and real-life experiences. Whether you're looking to deepen your connection or take her pleasure to new heights, these 5 game-changing tips will guide you every step of the way. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button and drop a comment below letting me know what you'd love to learn next. 1. A safe and comfortable environment. The first thing women love is feeling safe and comfortable. Imagine this. Dim lights, scented candles, and soft music playing in the background. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an environment where she feels completely relaxed and able to let go. Why does this matter? Because when she feels safe and at ease, her body responds naturally, making the experience more enjoyable and intense. Tip number 1. Take a few minutes to create a calming atmosphere. Ask her what makes her feel at ease. It could be a specific scent, playlist, or even just some deep, slow breathing together before you begin. Trust me, the effort will pay off big time. 2. Communication before during. Next up, communication. Ever heard the phrase, communication is sexy? Well, it's absolutely true. Start the conversation before you even get to the bedroom. A playful text like, "I'd love to know what feels best for you," can build anticipation and make her feel seen and heard. Once you're in the moment, don't hesitate to check in. Ask questions like, "Does this feel good?" or "Do you want more pressure?" Pro tip. Pay attention to her body language, breathing, and moans. They are clues to what she enjoys most. Sometimes, her reactions will tell you more than words ever could. Communication builds trust, and trust leads to deeper intimacy. 3. Variety and technique. Think of oral sex as an art form. You're painting a masterpiece with your lips, tongue, and hands. Repetition can make things predictable, so switch it up. Alternate between soft kisses, gentle pressure, teasing pauses, and even using your hands to enhance the sensation. For example, one woman shared that she loves when her partner starts slow and teasingly, then gradually builds up intensity, keeping her on edge before going all in. Experiment with different techniques. Try tracing light circles, moving in slow waves, or even changing the rhythm. The key is to keep things exciting and unpredictable. Variety keeps things exciting and shows her you're tuned into her needs. 4. Emotional presence and focus. This is where things get really powerful, emotional presence. It's not just about what you're doing, it's about how present you are while doing it. Here's what I mean. Put away distractions. Clear your mind. Immerse yourself in the moment. Make her feel like she's the only person in the world at that moment. Look at her, touch her, and let her feel the weight of your attention. One woman told me, "When my partner looks at me with eyes full of admiration, it makes me feel truly wanted." That changes everything. Presence is more powerful than any technique. It's what turns a simple experience into an unforgettable one. 5. Aftercare and connection. Finally, let's talk about aftercare. Once the moment ends, don't just roll over and check your phone. Take the time to connect emotionally. Cuddle, share a laugh, or simply hold her close in silence. These little moments deepen the bond between you two. Whisper something sweet like, "That was amazing," or "You're so beautiful." Even a simple forehead kiss or running your fingers through her hair can make her feel cherished long after the moment ends. Tip number 5. Spend at least 10 minutes after intimacy just being present with her. It shows that you care about her as a person, not just the act. The golden tip. Presence over performance. Alright, lovers, here's the golden tip I promised. Presence over performance. It's not about being perfect, it's about being fully engaged, physically, emotionally, and mentally. When you stop stressing about technique and start being in the moment with her, that's when the real magic happens. Women don't just want good technique, they want to feel desired, connected, and deeply cherished. So next time, shift your focus from doing it right to fully experiencing it with her. Final thoughts. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And hey, share this with a friend who could use a confidence boost. They'll thank you later. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you think makes intimacy unforgettable? Until next time, beautiful souls, stay passionate, stay connected, and keep making magic together.